Mrbeast is the biggest YouTuber on the platform. But let's not talk about the controversy right now. Let's just ignore that. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about how many views his videos are getting and how successful he is.
I'm very, fast. It's like, let's slow it down. Let's build some characters.
Yeah.
That's what people say they want.
This is his new strategy that he has come up with in the last 2 years. And he has been implementing it since then, and his videos have tripled in that time, 3 times. Okay, let's get right into this. Let's not waste any time. The first thing is he uses emotional storytelling. In the past, his videos were a bit more robotic and emotionless, but now if somebody is crying in the video, he doesn't just ignore them. He actually talks to the person, he acknowledges it, he keeps the camera and the shot on there so that viewers are able to feel something. He uses better storytelling and he adds emotion in there. He makes these sad scenes, these funny scenes, they're all in there to make the viewers stay more interested. In the past, YouTube has become a bit more beastified, meaning that there's just crazy videos and things just happening so fast, but now there's been a trend where things are becoming more down to earth, more human, more personal, and that is what Mrbeast has realized as well, and it's working for him. Another thing that he has done is that he has made his videos bigger, he invests more in the thumbnails, and he even involves other YouTubers. Not a lot of YouTubers can actually afford to do that, but he is able to do that because he has scaled up his videos and reinvested over time. Like, check out this video. He has so many YouTubers in there and they're all competing for a prize. So when I see that thumbnail with all of these YouTubers in there, I just want to click on it because it's like a once in a lifetime thing that you don't see that much. The next thing that he does is something which he uses to solve the problem of watch time. The problem is that people were not watching videos till the end. So what he does is he creates a reason for the viewer to stay till the end. How does he do this? He teases what's going to happen in the end. Okay, this is coming up, so you better stay tuned. You're not going to believe what's going to happen in that part of the video. So the viewer knows what to expect and they're being patient. And right when what he promised happens, then the video ends, basically. That is something that you should do. Keep the payoff right at the end. If people watch your video till the end, then your video will go viral. Okay, my name is Maha from 2Parcel here. I am also applying these skills to my YouTube channel and it is growing. Grind, don't stop. Let's make it to the top together. No pain, no gain. You fail to plan, you plan to fail. 2Parcel Nation unite. I make videos on how to improve your YouTube channel and get more views and subscribers. If this video is helping you out right now, let me know which one of these tips is actually helping you out in your video. Is it the emotional storytelling? Is it the payoffs? Is it the structure? Which tip is actually helping you the most? Let me know down below. So he doesn't only keep the biggest payoff at the end, he has mini payoffs, mini exciting parts in the video that keep your attention while you are waiting for the video to end, like every 3 minutes or something. Okay, one more thing that he does is that he has invested even more money into his videos. His video editing in the beginning of the video uses 3D graphics and special sound design with sound effects that really grab your attention. This is what he has done to make his videos even better over time. If you go back even 2 or 3 years, his videos aren't like this. Now they are even better. Okay, that's it for this video. If that has helped you, let me know down in the comment section below. I have also made a video on how Mrbeast also got big with his engineering channel, if you want to watch that, and that can also help you understand how to go viral and get more views. I have made that video, link is right here.